Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today we're diving into something a bit different, a trading platform that's all about keeping it real, focusing on solid strategies, and building long-term success in day trading. I'm talking about Humbled Trader. Now, if you've been around the trading world for a while, you probably know there are a ton of flashy platforms out there, all promising to make you rich overnight. You have probably been targeted by their direct ads on social media, the one with the Lambos and the confident guy with nice hair. But let's be honest, most of that is just noise. What I like about Humbled Trader is that it takes a totally different approach. Founded by Shay Huang, a popular YouTuber and trader, this platform is all about cutting through the hype and focusing on what's real, consistent day trading profits through smart strategies, risk management, and a grounded mindset. I've got to say, this approach really strikes a chord with me. Day trading isn't about making quick, huge gains overnight. Day trading is about playing the long game, building steady profits, and managing risk like a pro. Shay started Humbled Trader in 2019 to help traders just like us navigate the day trading landscape without all the gimmicks and false promises you see online. Shay's no-nonsense style is refreshing, and it's clear to me she is passionate about helping others find success. So, what exactly is Humbled Trader? Well, it's an educational platform designed to help day traders. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategies, it's packed with a wealth of content. I'm talking over 12 hours of video lessons, live streams, coaching sessions, a member-only Discord channel, and more. Shay draws from her own trading experiences, sharing everything from foundational principles to advanced short-selling strategies. I really like that she doesn't sugarcoat the challenges. Instead, she focuses on teaching you how to approach day trading with the right mindset and the right tools. If anyone is preaching that you can get rich quick or easily with day trading, run away as fast as possible because it is probably a scam. I like Shay's philosophy. It is simple but effective, consistent small gains, solid risk management, and a humble attitude towards trading. It's not about the quick riches, it's about sticking with it, learning from your mistakes, and constantly improving. I think that's a pretty solid approach, especially in an industry filled with get-rich-quick schemes. So, what makes Humbled Trader different from the countless other trading platforms out there? Let's talk about the features that set it apart. First, let's start with the Humbled Trader Academy. This isn't just your average learn-to-trade course. It's a full-on educational platform designed to help both beginners and experienced traders sharpen their skills. The Academy offers over 12 hours of video lessons, packed into 144 lessons, covering everything from the basics of day trading to more advanced topics like short-selling strategies and technical analysis. What I love about these lessons is how they're broken down into easily digestible training units that take you step by step through different aspects of day trading. Only have 15 minutes to watch today while eating lunch? No problem. This makes it super easy to follow along and learn at your own pace, because I know all of us don't always have a lot of time to dedicate to our continuing education. But it doesn't stop there. Humbled Trader also provides live daily trading plans where you can learn directly from experienced traders. You'll see exactly how they plan their trading day, manage risks, and make decisions in real time. It's like having a front row seat to a pro trader's daily routine. There are also weekly mentorship webinars. This is where Shay and other coaches dive deep into different trading techniques and market trends. This is perfect if you're looking for ongoing guidance and want to stay on top of what's happening in the market. Another fantastic feature is the community support. As a member, you get access to a private Discord channel where you can connect with other traders, share ideas, and ask questions. It's a great way to learn from others and stay motivated. Plus, if you're looking for more personalized guidance, there's an option for one-on-one coaching through their Mentorship Accelerator program. You'll work directly with a coach who will create a custom curriculum just for you, keeping you accountable as you work toward your trading goals. Now, let's get into the pricing. I'm not going to lie, Humbled Trader is a bit of an investment. The cost for access to all the educational resources and community support is $990 per year. That's not exactly what I would call cheap, especially when compared to some other platforms. The good news is, if you're serious about learning to trade and want a comprehensive resource, Humbled Trader is worth the price of admissions. But the price is straightforward, with no hidden fees or confusing tiers. You pay once and you get access to everything for a full year. That is reassuring to me, as so many platforms these days run with the freemium model, which leaves me constantly wondering which upgrades or add-ons are worth it. While there aren't any current discounts mentioned, if you sign up through my link in the description, you will get 3 months of access to their community chats for free. The community chats is where a lot of the magic happens. So this is a pretty good offer in my opinion. To wrap up, here's my take. Humbled Trader offers a comprehensive and realistic approach to day trading education. It's ideal if you're tired of the hype and looking for something that emphasizes consistency, risk management, and long-term success. Sure, I admit it's not the cheapest platform out there, but it provides a ton of value with its educational content, mentorship opportunities, and a supportive trading community. If you're serious about getting better at day trading and are ready to put in the work, Humbled Trader might just be the right fit for you. So, are you ready to cut through the noise and get serious about your trading journey? If so, click the link in the description and see if it's the game changer you've been looking for. As always, if you found this Humbled Trader review helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my Modest Money channel so you won't miss any new finance videos that we will be releasing regularly. Thanks for watching. Happy trading!